Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tells me what to do. That's why I'm in my life with you.
Today I'm here with Nadula again. This is a 7x5 HD lace closure glueless wig that we have today. It's a water wave and it is 24 inches long. This is how the inside looks. It has a comb in the back, the anti-slip strip in the back, adjustable strap. The lace is bleached, so this comes off very natural, almost like invisible knots. And the hair, this is how it's looking. As I said, it's water wave, 24 inches long. I'm gonna put the specific density in the description. I wish the ends were more silky and soft like the rest of the hair, but yeah, that's how it looks. So now you know the vibe. I'm just slipping it on. Super easy, very to the point. It's perfect for my beginners, by the way. You guys know this. Once I come with that glueless wig, you know the vibes. So I'm just cutting away the extra lace, and I absolutely love this lace. As I said, it is HD and it is super undetectable. I didn't have to apply that much powder. You'll see in a bit to like eliminate whatever cast was left back. And I absolutely love that. It was easy to have, like, get the melted look, and of course, you know, no adhesive whatsoever. So I was just playing around with it, you know, adjusting it to my liking, and you know, it sat really comfortably on my head, and I absolutely love that. So now I went in with my powder and then just take my time and apply that, press that into the areas I feel like I want to eliminate the cast, and it was so easy. Look at that, so gorgeous. So I pretty much move on to the whole styling portion. I take my wax stick and I'm just gonna lay the top there. I kept the center part, so I decided that I was gonna do like two little pull back ponytail vibe, and you'll see in a few. I got my hot comb, and you know, I'm just gonna play some music and kind of just, you know, it's easier to watch. It's very straightforward, it's nothing complex. So yeah, and I added my two bows, so let's watch.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tells me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So that's how that looks. Super cute, right? I know, it's so cute. Love it. If the bows aren't your vibe, though, feel free to not style it like this. You don't have to do this. I'm just sprucing up today's look. I've been doing the whole bow style with the big bows, so that's why I opted for the small ones. But you know, it's water wave, so I decided to go ahead and get some water to just dampen it a bit. I didn't want a super wet look.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel.
But that's all the shedding I get as well. I wish it was a little less, but yeah, definitely got shedding, and I was feeling myself. This is the final look of today's wig install. Super easy. This is literally an install in under 1 minute. As I always say with these glueless wigs, the only part that takes a little time is really the styling, depending on what type of style you're going for too. So really convenient. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. The direct link to this wig is in my description box, so feel free to go ahead down below, check that out. The discount code, if there's any, will be listed. And yeah, that's it for today's look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Nadula.